Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shadowing English Learners. I'm Sarah. You understand everything in the meeting. You have the perfect answer, but when you open your mouth, the words come out wrong, or they don't come out at all. Today, that ends. We're going to practice the exact phrases that help you contribute to meetings without fear. This is shadowing practice. I'll say each phrase 3 times. You repeat after me every time. Match my voice, my speed, my rhythm. Find a quiet place where you can speak out loud. Yes, it might feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is growth happening. We're practicing 25 phrases today. Each one will make you stronger in your next meeting. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Joining the conversation. These first phrases help you enter a discussion that's already happening. Most people wait too long to speak. These words give you immediate entry. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a thought on this. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a thought on this. Can I add something here? Can I add something here? If I could jump in for a second. If I could jump in for a second. Good work. Notice how polite these are, but also direct. I'd like to share my perspective. I'd like to share my perspective. Building on what Maria just said. Building on what Maria just said. That's a good point, and I think we should also consider. That's a good point, and I think we should also consider. You're doing excellent. 2 more in this section. Before we move on, I want to mention something. Before we move on, I want to mention something. I have a different view on this topic. I have a different view on this topic. Perfect. You now have 8 ways to enter any conversation. Part 2. Starts now. Part 2. Sharing your ideas clearly. Now you're in the conversation. These phrases help you present your thoughts with structure. Structure makes you sound confident, even when you're nervous. Here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. From my experience, this approach works better. From my experience, this approach works better. Let me explain my reasoning. Let me explain my reasoning. Strong start. Keep your energy focused. The way I see it is. The way I see it is. I believe we need to focus on 2 things. I believe we need to focus on 2 things. My suggestion would be to start with the basics. My suggestion would be to start with the basics. Excellent progress. These next phrases help when you need thinking time. Let me think about how to say this. Let me think about how to say this. Give me 1 second to gather my thoughts. Give me 1 second to gather my thoughts. Part 3. Asking questions and clarifying. Sometimes, speaking up means asking the right question. Questions show engagement and intelligence. These 5 phrases make you an active participant. Can you clarify? What you mean by that? Can you clarify what you mean by that? I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that differently? I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that differently? Great job asking. Never pretend to understand when you don't. What's our timeline for implementing this? What's our timeline for implementing this? Have we considered the budget impact? Have we considered the budget impact? Who will be responsible for the next steps? Who will be responsible for the next steps? Wonderful. 20 phrases completed. 5 more to finish strong. Part 4. Wrapping up and moving forward. These final phrases show leadership. They help close discussions and create action. I think we're aligned on the main points. I think we're aligned on the main points. Let's summarize what we've decided. Let's summarize what we've decided. Almost there. Stay with me. I'll follow up with everyone after this meeting. I'll follow up with everyone after this meeting. Does anyone have final concerns before we finish? Does anyone have final concerns before we finish? Thanks everyone for your input today. Thanks everyone for your input today. Done. 25 phrases complete. You just practiced the language of meeting confidence. Let me tell you what really happened here. You didn't just memorize sentences. You trained your mouth and brain to work together under pressure. Each repetition created a small pathway in your memory. Next time you're in a meeting, these phrases will come naturally. Here's why this matters more than you think. In meetings, confidence isn't about being the smartest person. It's about having reliable phrases ready when you need them. Native speakers use the same phrases over and over. Now you have those phrases too. But knowing them isn't enough. You need to use them this week. Here's your action plan. Tonight, pick 3 phrases that fit your job. Write them on a note and put it on your desk. Tomorrow, use just 1 phrase in any meeting. That's your only goal. 1 phrase equals success. People focus on your message, not your grammar. They respect that you contributed. Silence is what colleagues remember, not your accent, not small mistakes. If this practice helped you, click the like button. Subscribe to Shadowing English Learners so you never stay quiet when you have something important to say. Comment below which skill you need most. Until next video, remember this. Meeting confidence doesn't require perfect English. It requires prepared phrases and the courage to use them. You have the phrases now. Use them tomorrow. Thanks for training with me today. See you in the next video.